Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are all Christmas themed and also using all napkins. So let's start with the first DIY. For this, I'm going to use this. Actually, this is tissue paper, and I thought like this is such a beautiful print and design on it. And I used it in the previous project, but I couldn't, get enough. So I wanted to, use this for this cute wooden ornament from Dollar Tree, and I just love the shape of this ornament. And I am taking like generous amount of Mod Podge, and I'm just covering it all over it, and I just let it dry. And after it is dried, I'm just using this sanding stone to remove the excess paper, and I am also going to coat with this another layer of Mod Podge to give like nice adherence, as well as also it gives like a nice matte sheen that I'm actually looking for. And after it is dried, I'm taking some of this Christmas picks from Dollar Tree, and I also have this cute shiny leaf on either side. I think that is from Walmart, I believe. And I also have this cute Christmas ribbon. I created a bow with that and one golden berry to finish the look. Look how beautiful this whole design brightens up, and the ribbon is also matching with all the colors, and I'm so happy with the end result, you guys. So yeah, this is one of it, and this is one of my favorites today. You have to let me know your thoughts as well. So this video is part of Napkin Exchange collaboration, and this is hosted by Sarah over Sunflowers and DIY. And 15 of us are also sharing our ideas of how we are using this napkin and coming up with a lot of creative crafts today. I'm going to link the playlist in the description box, and please be sure to visit all of our channels and all the playlists as well, and give lots of love to all of us. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm taking one of this plastic plate which has like nice snowman design on it and some transparent surface. So I thought I should use one of this gift tissue paper which has snowflakes all over, and I just cut according to the size of the plate, and I'm just applying a lot of Mod Podge, and I'm trying to remove all the air bubbles and trying to give like strokes from center to outside. And after that paper has dried completely, I'm taking one of this marker, and I'm just drawing the outline of the snowman, which is actually a little bit embossed, if you can really see. And I also took this green chalk marker, and I drew the Christmas tree border as well to highlight the Christmas tree a little bit. And I'm taking this white paint, and I'm just painting on the pasted surface of this napkin. This white paint actually brightens the napkin print, and the snowman is showing up beautiful and bright. So this is how my end result turned out with this snowman plate decor. I love the end result, you guys. I wanted to hear what your thoughts are. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this DIY, I'm going to use this plastic plate, and it comes in a pack. And I'm going to use this tissue paper which has like snowflakes, greenery snowflakes, I think. And I just took like generous amount of Mod Podge, and I'm just brushing it all over like a thin coat. And before that, I sanded it down so the Mod Podge adheres well to the plate. And I cut exact size of the napkin according to the plate size. Then I push the brush strokes from center to the corners, so any air bubbles are there, they'll be let go, and then it just gives like a nice wrinkleless adherence of this napkin. And I also did the same to the borders, so the borders and the curve, they all sit well together. And after it is dried, I just sanded the corners down, and I stuck this Merry Christmas letters that I got from Dollar Tree, and I used for another sign, so I'm going to repurpose this for this one because the red and green, they are looking very nice, and it's also got the red specks around the napkin. And I also stuck two of those ribbons. One is the buffalo plate and one is the sheer ribbon. I just created a twisted bow and I stuck some golden berries in the center with some red ribbons in the corner, which has snowflakes on it, the white ones. So the white snowflakes and the green snowflakes and the red, they're looking so nice together, and I'm very happy with the end result. I hope you would like as well. I would love to hear your comments. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this DIY, I'm taking one of this glass coaster from Dollar Tree and I'm going to remove those feet. I'm actually pulling this with this tool and they come off easily. And if this doesn't work, you can always use blow dryer to show the heat and pull it off. Now I'm taking one of this napkin. Actually, it's a gift wrap paper, and they have like nice Christmas designs, so I thought I should use this. So I turned the back side of this coaster and I just applied Mod Podge, the same technique, and I applied this napkin, and after it dried I wanted to brighten the design, so I went ahead and painted with white paint and it just brightened the design for me. So now I'm taking some of this wooden Christmas trees that I got from Dollar Tree and I'm just painting with this white chalk paint, and I let it dry. After they're dried, I'm actually taking generous amount of hot glue and I'm just sticking in the places where I pulled those feet off, and I'm giving like a nice pedestal kind of look there. So after it is stuck, this is how it looks. So I'm going to arrange my candle and another project that you're going to see coming up, and yeah, this is how it looks. So let's move on to DIY number 5. For this, I'm taking one of this electric candle that I got from Dollar Tree, from party supply section, where it has this beautiful shiny stars. I thought I should use this for this festive candle, and I'm just taking one ply and I'm trying to apply that to this candle. I'm just measuring exact size how much I need, and then I'm just trimming off the excess with this detailing scissor. Now I'm removing the top ply and I wanted to adhere that to this candle. So for that I'm going to use generous amount of Mod Podge and I'm just spreading it with this paintbrush, and I'm carefully sticking this one side, and I'm doing it section by section. I'm doing in a horizontal motion so that any air bubbles, they'll be released. I'm also stretching it so it doesn't give me any wrinkles, and this technique works for me. I painted all over it and I let it dry. After it is dried, I'm going to decorate this with this green garland, and I just took generous amount of hot glue and I stuck it around it. I'm trimming excess of those greenery, and I'm sticking some of this red berries, and I'm also going with the golden berries around the green garland, and I call this is done, and I just decorated on top of the pedestal that we just prepared, and this is how it looks after it is completely ready for decoration. I'm very happy with the end result. I would like to know your thoughts as well. Let's move on to DIY number 6. For this, I'm taking one of this frame that I use for another project. This is actually a wooden frame that you find in Dollar Tree, and that's one of the wooden piece from another sign. I painted white, and I'm just using one of the gift tissue paper which has Falalala written on it. Using Mod Podge, I applied the tissue paper on top of it, and now it's dried. I'm just trimming the excess with this box cutter, and I'm carefully removing edges. I just don't want to sand it because it's so delicate at this point in time. And I also have this sign that I got from Walmart for 98 cents. This is like a wooden sign which has like a two deers standing in a forest. So I just wanted to distress this with this white chalk paint. I'm dry brushing all over it, and I'm letting it dry. After it is dried, I took generous amount of hot glue and I'm sticking it on top of this lettered surface, and this looks so gorgeous already. And then I took two of these holly leaves and I'm just sticking with hot glue on top of the sign, and I'm also going to stick some red berries and some poinsettia and some bell in the center and some more decoration in the bottom. And yeah, this is another decor that I'm very much happy with, and this is also standing on the pedestal that we prepared earlier. I love this and I hope you will enjoy too. And these are some of the DIYs today all together, using napkins and gift wrap tissue paper, and all of those are winter themed and Christmas themed. Very much happy with the end result. I hope you would also enjoy it, and I would love to know your thoughts and any suggestions. I would love to hear that as well. And if you like any of these ideas and you would like to be part of the family, I'll be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. And don't forget to hit on the bell icon for the notifications when I make new videos, and you'll get updated on that. And I will let you enjoy the final reveal. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.